Pedagogy of mathematics. This contains 5 units. In this, the first unit is the meaning, nature, and scope of mathematics. In this first unit, it has another 5 subtopics here. The first one is the meaning, nature, and the scope of mathematics. Let us discuss about the meaning and definitions of mathematics now. Mathematics has been recognized as one of the central strands of human intellectual activity. From the very beginning, mathematics has been a living and growing intellectual pursuit. It has its roots in everyday activities and forms the basic structure of our highly advanced technological developments. Mathematics plays an important role in accelerating the social, economical, and technological growth of a nation. It is more so in India as the nation is rapidly moving towards globalization in all aspects. Therefore, it is necessary to prepare the child with a strong base of mathematics knowledge to face the challenges of the modern technological society. Meaning and definitions. The term mathematics is derived from two Greek words, mathnian and techne. Etymological meaning of mathnian is learning and techne is an art or technique. Therefore, the meaning of mathematics is art of learning related to disciplines or faculties. In Sanskrit, Gan means counting. Hence, Gaditam is termed for mathematics means sum. The term mathematics may be defined in a number of ways. It is an exact science which is related to measurements, calculations, discovering relationship, and dealing with the problems of space. New English Dictionary states mathematics in a strict sense is the abstract science which investigates deductively the conclusions implicit in the elementary conceptions of spatial and numerical relations. Mathematics is defined in different ways by different authors. So, the definitions of mathematics. The progress and the improvement of mathematics are linked to the prosperity of the state, said by Napoleon. And mathematics is a way to settle in the mind of a habit of reasoning, said by Locke. And the Gauss, the mathematician, he says, mathematics is the queen of sciences and arithmetic is the queen of all mathematics. And Bacon, a mathematician, he says, mathematics is the gateway and key to all sciences. And Aristotle, the mathematician, he says, mathematics is the study of quantity. Bertrand Russell, he says, mathematics is a subject identical with logic. Descartes, he says, mathematics is a science of order and measure. And J.B. Shaw, he says, mathematics is engaged, in fact, in the profound study of art and the expressions of beauty. And A.N. Richard, he says, mathematics is thought moving in the sphere of complete abstraction from any particular instance of what it is talking about. So the terms mathematics has been interpreted and explained in following ways also. It is a systematized, organized, and exact branch of science. It deals with a number of calculations that are part of man's life and knowledge. Numbers rule the universe. It helps the man to give exact interpretation to his ideas and conclusions. It has its own language, signs, symbols, terms, and operations, etc. It involves man's high cognitive powers. It helps the drawing conclusions and interpreting various concepts of any kind. It has own tools like institutions, logic, reasoning, analysis, construction generally and individually, etc. It helps the it helps in solving the problems of our life and disclosing the realm of nature. It is a science of space. From all these mentioned definitions, it can be seen that mathematics has so many functions. Nature of mathematics. Nature of mathematics is analyzed by its chief characteristics. The one is mathematical reasoning. Mathematics is also called the science of logical reasoning. The results in mathematics are developed through a process of reasoning. Reasoning in mathematics is of two types. They are inductive reasoning and deductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning. It depends on institutions of a person. The process of formation of mathematical truths from various experiences and observations is termed as inductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning is based on self-evident truths, postulates, axioms, etc. It proceeds from a premises. Here the statements are the products of mind. This reasoning consists in comparing the statements and drawing a conclusion therefrom. Whitehead has correctly emphasized the place of deductive reasoning in mathematics by saying mathematics in its widest sense is the development of all types of deductive reasoning. The second one, mathematical language and symbols. Mathematics has its peculiar language and symbolism which distinguishes from many other subjects. Mathematical language and symbols cut short the lengthy statements and help the expressions of ideas or things in the exact form. Mathematical language is free from verbosity and helps into the point, clear and exact expressions of facts. For example, the lines P and Q are parallel to each other. It can be represented as P slash Q in simple way. Some mathematical symbols are perpendicular, subset, square root, an angle, greater than. Please watch in the picture. So third one is the pure and applied mathematics. Pure mathematics. Pure mathematics starts from rules of inference. It treats only theories and principles without regard to their only theories and principles without regard to their applications to concrete things. It involves systematic and deductive reasoning. If A greater than B and B greater than C, then A greater than C. Thus, from given propositions, we conclude that some other proposition is true. Applied mathematics. Applied mathematics considers those parts of mathematical theories that have certain direct or practical applications to object of actions in the material world. It plays a great role in the development of various subjects. Every discovery in science owes much to applied mathematics. Fourth one is mathematics, thinkers, institutions. According to dictionary, institution consists of a immediate apprehension without the intervention of any reasoning process or knowledge or mental perception. An intuitive thinker arrives at an answer with very little answers. In learning mathematics, the ability to guess a tentative generalization should be encouraged. Fifth one is mathematics deals with precision and accuracy. Mathematics is known as an exact science because of its precision. In mathematics, the results are either right or wrong, accepted or rejected. There is no midway possible between right and wrong. Mathematical results can have any degree of accuracy required. Sixth one is mathematics is a study of structures. A mathematical structure is mathematical system with one or more explicitly recognized properties. Mathematics has got defined logical structures. These structures ensures the beauty and order of mathematics. Number system, group, field, ring vector, space, etc. are all examples of mathematical structures. Seventh one is mathematics deals with generalization. The generalizations of mathematics are very simple and obvious in comprehension with those for other domains of thought and activity in mathematics. Various generalizations are made with the help of available data.